Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, and in this short session we'll be understanding what is database, what is a warehouse, data warehouse, and what is cloud computing, and finally what is Snowflake. Further, how to learn Snowflake step by step. In this particular short session, we'll be taking all these few important items and having more than 18 years of technical expertise, expert level activities exclusively on database and BI, business intelligence platform, with our brand name SQL School. We have been training good number of attendees across the globe for all these 18 years. And our clientele would be available on our website, sqlschool.com. And to name a few, we are into corporate trainings for Mindtree, L&T, Infosys, and Raxis, NDDB, government organizations, and few other corporate clients as well, including ADP. At our school, we are more into complete practice oriented technical classes on very few set of specific technologies that I have worked on, and Snowflake is one of them. I'm pretty sure in this awesome, cool, technical Snowflake training classes, you'll feel the warmth and the love Snowflake has to offer us. It's a great technology, great cloud computing technology. Now, let's understand what is this Snowflake. Before we proceed with what is Snowflake, in any enterprise level BI, business intelligence platform, database is a storage environment to store live real-time data. You have a website or few apps and few files. We submit the form, we fill the data, and that data would be given to OLTP. Let's assume a bank environment, a bank database. Bank would have few web applications through apps. They process your transactions, store them into OLTP, and end of the month we submit file, a batch file to our bank to ensure correct salaries are credited to our awesome happy team members with applicable education cess and TDS and few other important expenditure related deductions. And we have some other taxation entities. All those content would go to OLTP, online transaction processing database, live real-time data. Over time, the data has to be stored in a godown called warehouse. So warehouse is a cold historical aggregated data store. For example, you log into your bank account, you see recent transactions, OLTP, and you would like to get old transaction data, that is warehouse, DWH. Then what next? Say for example, I would like to know my CIBIL score, or you would like to get the loan authorizations. The loan vendor would be assessing our past data, recent transactions, and come with a report, our loan eligibility. So it's all about end-to-end implementations for any business in this world. We have some intelligence called BI. And what about Snowflake? Where it is? Yes, Snowflake comes here. Number two, data warehouse left and over here. So warehouse, Snowflake is a data warehouse platform. I repeat, Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse platform. We can store any amount of data, any type of data with ease, and we can ensure faster, friendly, easy decisions. Now, who can run Snowflake? SQL professionals can run Snowflake. Power BI, Tableau, data analysts, business analysts can run Snowflake. Database administrators have nice operations in Snowflake. That is your next level data warehouse management. Even data engineers, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, data engineers have Snowflake. They enjoy Snowflake user interface. You see a lot of differences between Azure data warehouses, AWS data warehouses, Google Cloud data warehouses versus Snowflake. In Azure, we have SQL pool. In AWS, we have Redshift. And same way we have Google warehouses as well. And Snowflake is one of the awesome, really, trust me, very cool user interface. Now, how to step into Snowflake? Yes, we need to have knowledge on SQL. I repeat again, we need to have knowledge on databases, SQL concepts. Then we can happily step into Snowflake, the data warehousing platform. So here we go, database first, cloud-based data warehousing next. I mean SQL first, then Snowflake next. Later you may upgrade yourself to a data engineer, complete cloud solution. What is that I said? Complete cloud. Yes, Snowflake concentrates mainly on warehouse, exclusively on warehouse. So cool user interface, faster, damn fast user interface, and big data activity, Snowflake. Whereas this data engineer technologies from Azure and other cloud providers are having more to offer, not just warehouse. They help us in ensuring faster analytics, ETL, big data, something called PySpark, and something else called IoT. What is that? IoT activities, meaning Internet of Things, IoT, and so on. So data engineering has a lot more than Snowflake. Then you may ask me, then why don't I go directly into data engineering? Yes, you can do that. But many companies look for a la carte, not for a buffet. Yes, I mean it. I mean it. When Snowflake is so cheap compared to Azure and Amazon pertaining to warehouses, instead of using Azure and Amazon warehouse, better to go for Snowflake. It is cheaper, comparatively cheaper, easy to use, but at the same time, Snowflake do require additional hands for bringing the data, pushing the data. There comes Azure and AWS. So Snowflake plus engineering, always a better upskill option. To make it more clear on my screen, we have 3 week SQL database technologies, OLTP and T-SQL. Then comes Snowflake 4 weeks and Azure Data Engineer 7 weeks total. And to make it more clear, at current level right now on my screen, Snowflake is into databases, nothing but data warehouses, with Python and SnoSQL part of our course, Snowflake training course. In data engineering, we have two flavors of warehouses and data factory, Databricks, T-SQL, PySpark for ETL, and Spark SQL for ETL activities. And starter profile, usually 1 and 2 should be fine. For experience profiles, yes, 1, 2, 3 are highly recommended. Number 1, number 2, starters. Number 3, data engineering activities, full length, complete pack, full data engineering BI suite. Then our resume would be more safer comparatively, and I am there to ensure you get proper resume. First thing, proper resume. Number two, I need to also make sure you get complete end-to-end concepts, right? That is even more important for us. And one more important thing, what if our interviewer asks us what you did in the course, what you did in a previous project, what are the challenges you faced in your project, right? If your interviewer asks you what is your current job role, what is your previous job role, yes, we should have a solid, straightforward, eye contact answer. So in our Snowflake, we'll be taking all those activities from scratch, right from the basics. And even our Azure data engineering classes are very much lengthy, very much useful, with good amount of tasks, assignments, use case scenarios, good number of examples, and more than important, complete project work and the solution. Pretty sure your expectations will not be going down. I need to meet your expectations, and I request only one thing from you: on time practice throughout the course is very, very important for us. With this information, any clarifications or questions, please do let me know. You'll be available. I will be available. You'll be able to contact me on my number directly. You see on the screen 90300 40801, or you may contact our team directly on 9666 440801. Let's have a live meet. Let's have a live demo class. Then we will decide to proceed together. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you so much once again. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.